Hello students, in this video we will discuss about two concepts which are related to the prerequisite, that is better contract management and better control. This is the seventh prerequisite and eighth. So we know that when the project starts there will be number of contracts or maybe one or two contracts are given to the given as outsourcing. And as we know that a lot of portions of the project is typically executed through contracts only. So it is very important for a project manager or a concerned higher authorities to do the contract in a better way. It is also important to note the compatibility and competence, means the expertise, whether they can do it or not, whether if you give the contract to somebody, whether they are competent enough or whether they have a compatibility or not. For all the contractors, for the contractors whom we are choosing, it must be ensured first. So what happens is if there is one weak link is there, it is quite possible that it can affect the performance of the project. Okay, we may not submit it in time. It may exceed to some cost. So those are the factors are there. So it is very important to check the competence and compatibility of a contractor to work in tandem. And also the proper discipline must be included among the contractors and suppliers. And that can be achieved by insisting that they should develop a realistic and detailed resources. And also the time plan should be given with the project plan. So it should be done in this time. So there should be always check on the activities what are done by the contractor. It is not that by giving a contract you just sit without any. And also in the contract you can put some penalties also, where if any failure or any term limit is not it is exceeding the term limit, or any problem comes because of the contractor, they have to fulfill. So some contract also can be written before giving the contract. Some contract agreement also can be written. And also if it is done in a better way, some incentives also can be given for good performance. And it is not that only the terms and conditions should be applied. We can have extended help. We can extend the help to the contractors also or a suppliers also. If they have a genuine problem, try to solve their problem or suggest them the better way in which they can solve the problem. Always the contractor should be guarded as a partner. So that is very important aspect, and this is also coming under the prerequisite. Next is effective monitoring. So in every stage it is very important to monitor the things, and you can do it by anticipating the deviation from the implementation plan. That is the first factor. Means if the plan if the any task is deviating from the plan what was planned, so it is very important to anticipate that. Analyze the emerging problem. Some problem may occur in the future that needs to be analyzed before. It can be analyzed before the problem. Some problem may be analyzed, or some problem is to be corrected when it is under process, when it is under execution. And always resolve it earlier stages. You should know what type of risks will come in the future, and you should have a backup plan for risks also, and also you should know how to take the corrective actions. So these are the two important prerequisites in project management. Thank you for watching this.